Alright, so we're going to give our locomotive a test here. Just tuned up all the rolling stock attached to it. These 3 gondolas were pretty bad shape. Just would not stay on the track, just constantly coming off. Various reasons, so that's pretty much true of all these that are attached. So basically the truck's too close to the body so the wheels touch. That causes derailments. So we put a tiny washer between the truck and the body, give it a little bit of separation. Did that on the flat car, did it on all of them. And then some of the couplers were a little too tight, so we loosened the couplers just a little bit so that they move more freely. And our Western Pacific 709, Jeep 9, actually Jeep 7. Alright, let's give it a shot. And pretty much if no rolling stock can make it around the corners going up and down the incline, both entering and leaving, it's not going to make it anywhere on this track, obviously. Those are the 2 tightest corners, 2 most challenging portions of this layout. And so if there's any body that's too long, wheels not flexible, trucks, whatever, yeah, we're going to have a derailment. Always derail there. Stop real quick, get a close-up. Decals, everything turned out great, nice and smooth. Weather it next. So far everything's staying on track, looking good. This is the corner where all the derailments happen, so. Alright. Nice and smooth. All right, looking good.